Привіт-привіт! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to share with you updates about my life and school Speak Ukrainian. So, почнімо! Let's get started! Guys, you can see that I'm in a different room. Actually, I'm in a different country. So, 1 week ago, I moved to England for some period of time. And more than 1 month ago, I recorded a video lesson in which I ask you to help me to find the host or more information about the program Home for Ukraine. Thank you so much. Everybody who wrote me emails with different useful information, and I want to say a special thank you to Alex and his family who hosted me. And now I live in a cozy town. It is located between Oxford and London. It is very calm here. I love the nature, and my new room is great. And as you can see, I have a lot of beautiful things here, like sunflowers, shells with the blue and yellow things there. I have flag, and I have a beautiful handmade postcard and some cookies, and I didn't bring all the things with me. My British family prepared all these things for me to help me to feel here like at home, and they did it great. So I'm so happy to be here. And my main mission here is to teach Ukrainian language. I'm going to teach my course from an absolute beginner to a confident speaker in British University. But I will be able to tell you more details a little bit later. So if you live in England, not far from Oxford or London, and you want to learn Ukrainian language personally with me, please write in the comments below. Okay, guys. So I'm safe, I'm okay. I still need some time to adjust to the new life here, and now I don't have to think about the alarms, bombing, missiles. I can feel more calm, I can sleep better, I can relax and focus more on some regular things in life. So that's what I'm going to do here. And before my trip on December 2, I was super happy to launch the new textbook in my school, and it is called Easy Ukrainian Dialects. So you can see its beautiful cover here. So Easy Ukrainian Dialects for levels A1, A2. So it's students who have beginner level in Ukrainian language or like pre-intermediate, and this beautiful, great textbook has a vocabulary list and professional audio recordings from the studio. So I had an idea to write a textbook with dialects several years ago, but as you know, it is impossible to create several products at the same time because it takes a lot of time, energy, efforts. So I decided to create this textbook this year, and I realized I can't do it by myself. Therefore, I offered Marina to be my co-author, and she agreed. So thank you so much, Marina. Lojan Nosichenko is a teacher from my school Speak Ukrainian. Also, she is a writer of our blog. Please check it out at website speaky.com. We have a beautiful blog with very useful articles I'm sure you will love them, because Marina writes not only about the learning Ukrainian language, but also about our customs, traditions, about Ukrainian mindset, etc. So we want to help you to explore Ukraine from all sides. Так, so in July we started to work on this textbook, and we finished in November. So it took us approximately less than 6 months to create this textbook, and it has 10 basic topics. Each topic has a vocabulary list, and each dialect has also a vocabulary list. We have stresses. Also, you can read a Ukrainian dialect, and then you can check out its English translation. So you can see right now a quick overview of the textbook, and also we recorded all dialects. There is a professional voiceover, and also I participated in it, of course, so you can hear my voice and the voice of my mom and other professional people, professional actors who helped to make this product perfect and clear for you. So let me show you more. I need to tell you, unfortunately, I don't have this textbook in a physical version right now, because you know that we have a lot of problems in Ukraine with electricity right now, and the publishing company, they weren't able to publish the textbook before my trip, but I think I will ask my administrator Halina to send it to me to England, and then I will show you more when I get it. But right now you can purchase this textbook in ebook version and also in hardcover version. So you can see how looks the cover of it. So you can see this is Zoloty Vorota, the Golden Gate in Kiev. Так? So I love it. I think it looks very nice. And also me and Marina, we wrote some instructions for you how you can practice reading and listening with the help of our dialects in different ways. So you can check out all that information and pick up the best method for you. So I'm super proud to share with you our new product, our new baby, and I'm sure it will be very useful for you. And next year we are going to create the continuation of this textbook, and it will be for level A1, B1, for those who are on the like pre-intermediate, intermediate level in Ukrainian language. So we are in the process. That's the update about the textbook. Also, you know, I have 3 sets of the flashcards, 200 common Ukrainian verbs, 200 common Ukrainian adjectives, and 100 common Ukrainian idioms. So together 500 flashcards with useful and basic Ukrainian words and phrases. So I created new boxes for them. Why, you can ask me. First of all, we changed the logo, and now our new flashcards, they have new logo and the whole products. And also I decided to improve the way of learning process for you, and now you can learn Ukrainian vocabulary with the help of the flashcards and the method of you can sorting the flashcards. So the box has these different sections, and you can put them in different sections according to your progress. So also we created the instruction. In each box there will be these sections, this mini book with instructions, or it's like brochure. Yeah, I think it's better to say like this: brochure with instructions and QR codes for the voiceover. And very soon I'm going to launch an app, so I'm very excited about it, but I will tell you more about it a little bit later. So as you can see, I'm a person who can't sit on one place. I'm the person who loves keep creating more useful things for you, and I'm glad to hear that so many people want to learn Ukrainian language. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting Ukraine. Thank you for learning Ukrainian language. It is very important for me and all the Ukrainians, and it's great. I'm happy to have you, and I'm happy that you are the part of my school community. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. So guys, that's the recent updates about my life and my school. So also I wanted to remind you that on January 9, 2023, I will launch the 8th edition of my course From an Absolute Beginner to a Confident Speaker. So you can join the course and learn Ukrainian language online at any time, anywhere. It is very convenient. And if you want to learn Ukrainian language here in England, please let me know. We can make it work. And if you want to follow more about my updates, then you can subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you everybody for your support. Thank you for donating money to Ukraine, to Ukrainian army. Thank you for being my patron. Thank you for supporting people in Kherson and occupation. Check out my website, buy a t-shirt, save Ukrainian life. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Слава Україні. Your teacher Ina and Papa. Bye bye.